Hi, I'm Sheena Macy Yazul. You can call me Sheena. I'm 18 years old from Sampaloc, Manila, and my province is Santiago, Isabela. My father work is businessman, and my mother work is housewife. And I have one brother, and I am a youngest. I'm third year college from Firestone University, taking up Bachelor of Science Hotel and Restaurant Management. I would like to have on-the-job training abroad to experience the culture, new places, and life. I describe myself as a hard-working person, honest and kind, and I can also confident to do my best this job because I want for my parents proud and also for my future someday. My hobbies is watching TV, listening music, read books, play badminton.